Some viewers may find the following disturbing. Viewers' discretion is advised. Mad Munchkin Snackage, Episode 14, Street of Crocodiles. I don't like putting a disclosure like that in my videos, but for this one I feel it necessary because of how it affected me when I first saw this film back in 2008. I haven't discussed stop motion much, if at all, with some exceptions of characters discussed in some of my top 10 lists, and this is the reason. I wanted to discuss the brothers Quay, or some people pronounce it Key, first, and with this short stop motion film released in 1986 titled Street of Crocodiles, I feel this is the perfect place to start. Though it's not exactly obscure, the films are overshadowed and ignored thanks to the more universally accepted feature-length stop-motion counterparts released around the same time because there's no real plot to these shorts. But it's also because, to me, if a social recluse could be embodied by a film, this would be it. It doesn't want to be in the limelight, even though it deserves it. When you watch this, you find yourself engrossed in a world of the subconscious, almost as if the figures are backstage in some darkened alternative world, forgotten by the main players on stage, performing mechanical, inexplicable tasks. It is surrealistic and nightmarish, with no real explanation or reason as to why. It's unsettling that we have to figure out what was going on ourselves, and that's probably why I liked it. The execution of this stop motion is masterfully done, and you can see how influential this and other Brothers Quay films are to this day, not just for stop motion films either. If I had to compare it to something more mainstream, I would say it is most similar to the CGI movie 9, released in 2009, which really should have been stop motion. It's not for the faint of heart, I'll be real with you. The imagery is really disturbing. But, give it a watch if you dare. I'm Mad Munchkin. Stay creative.